What's up guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out this awesome 2025 Harris Cruiser 250. You can see we got it in that beautiful sterling gray color with that dune interior. So you guys climb aboard and let's check it out. All right, welcome aboard guys. So we're starting way back here on the transom. You can see back here we've got our beautiful tow bar. So this 250 Cruiser is ready to pull any kind of tuber or skier, anything you want to do behind it. And you've also got your stainless steel safety rails to match it. So you got the chain that'll attach here, let you ride facing aft. And then all the way back here, the power behind this cruiser is your 200 horsepower V6 outboard. So you got a lot of power pushing this boat. You're able to have a lot of fun out there. Over here, you've got your new lily pad ladder. So that's an easy drop down ladder, forms more of a staircase in the water. Super easy for all kids, adults, and even pets to climb up that ladder and get on board here. Huge upgrade on this cruiser here is this sun pad lounger. So you can see you've got this movable lounger, and underneath this lounger is one huge storage compartment, and it can lay all the way flat there. Right? Then over here on the port side, you do have a hideaway trash can in your cockpit. This is on that main lounger that you've got. And as you can see while we're in here, we're getting plenty of shade from the canopy on top of our Halo Power Bimini. So this is new for 2025 from Harris. When you collapse this Bimini down, it creates more of like a tower look with it booted up. So you've got the versatility of it. Over here at the helm, you've got your big Simrad screen. So you got your chart plotter, GPS, Mercury engine management. You've also got a wireless cell phone charger to the right and a JL Audio stereo system to the left. And that is all in front of our comfortable Harris captain's chair with full swivel, armrest, and the bolster right here. We'll make our way into the bow. As we pass through, I'll show you the in-floor storage. You can see we got the cover in there, but that is a huge compartment that drops right into your center tune. Lets you take advantage of storage space in there. Another huge upgrade for this cruiser is going to be this flip-up table. So you can set that up, lock it in place. You can make yourself up some drinks, maybe cut up some meat, make some sandwiches, whatever you're wanting to do on top of that table there. And then the huge benefit of the 250 size is the amount of storage that you get in the bow up here. Both of these massive seats open up and you've got tons of storage on board. As well as 2 cup holders on both sides with USB plug-ins on each. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.